Hey everyone! Have you ever run into this frustrating error when trying to install Laravel? Fail to download Laravel from dist. The zip extension and unzip/7z commands are both missing. Don't worry, you're not alone, and I've got the solution for you. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix this issue, whether it's enabling the zip extension in PHP or installing the right tools. By the end, you'll be able to install Laravel without any hiccups. Let's dive in. The error you're encountering happens because the zip extension required for PHP or tools like unzip or 7zip are missing from your setup. Here's how to fix it. First, open your PHP configuration file. Find the line that says extension = zip. And remove the semicolon at the beginning to uncomment it. Then save the file and restart your command prompt or terminal to apply the changes. This simple tweak should resolve the issue and get you back on track. After fixing the error, install Laravel again by running the installation command. And that's it. Your Laravel installation should now work smoothly without any errors. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.